DAD, Designing with a Difference Sewing House, is a full-service manufacturer located in San Francisco, California. The business is owned and run by Rebecca Kawa, a San Francisco native who wanted to combine her passion for giving back to the community and her passion for fashion.
DAD Sewing House is a full-service sewing contractor and development house. We are a one-stop shop located in San Francisco. We do everything from development, production, sample making, cutting, screen printing, embroidery, packaging, and more.
The initial step of the process is to meet with the client and discuss their needs. This will include the style they want to manufacture, the delivery date, and the number of pieces to manufacture. DAD Sewing House offers low MOQs, which allows new brands and new designers to create small runs of their style as they develop their brand.
So for my new clients, if you're not ready to go into production, we would first have to start with the development phase. The development phase consists of getting your patterns made, your samples made, sourcing. It could also consist of grading and creating a marker.
During this meeting, the client may review a tech pack, which indicates the different materials of the style and the garment measurements. Or they may look at an original sample that he or she wants to develop into their own style. The materials, everything from fabric to buttons, needs to be sourced. The client can source their own materials, or Rebecca and her team will source the materials with local suppliers that she works with. From either the tech pack specifications or the reference sample, patterns are developed in the sample size. The pattern pieces are printed and cut out so a sample can be made. Once the sample is sewn, it is reviewed on the body and the garment fit is evaluated. If several changes are necessary, a new sample can be created. Otherwise, the adjustments are made to the patterns before production begins. DAD Sewing House incorporates the progressive bundle production, which is commonly referred to as the assembly line method. Each operator completes one operation until all parts of the garment are complete. The garments are then finished. Sew-by samples hang near the sewing operators. These samples include face cards or detail sheets that indicate assembly and finishing methods. The sewing operators can review the information on a finished sample at any stage of production to see how it should be handled and finished. The detail sheets are the important aspect of the sewing process, as it identifies the product specification or standards of that particular style provided by the client. Other finishing methods and manufacturing processes are looked at in the design and building of the garment. But it is rare to have all of the machines under one roof. But here at DAD Sewing House, clients can take advantage of single needle machines, hem finish machines, flat lock machines, embroidery services, and even silk screening. As the product nears completion and all the loose threads are trimmed, the garment gets a quick QA check so it can be packaged and ready to ship out to the customer to be on your store shelf.
We have clients that are small brands, large corporate brands, local, as well as across the country, and even some global clients. We are happy to help you with development or production, and you can reach us at www.dadsewinghouse.com.